Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn what the ketogenic way of eating is, what benefits it will give you, what challenges you may face, and what foods to eat and avoid. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. Would you like to know exactly what you should eat to lose weight without giving up your favorite food or starving yourself? And you make sure that the keto diet is right for you or not, so click on the link in the description and consult our support to get a customized plan for your keto diet. And get the deliciously easy keto recipes book as a gift. And now let's see the rest of the video. So what is a 60-day keto diet plan? A 60-day keto diet plan is a low-carb, high-fat eating plan that lasts 60 days or 2 months. The plan cuts out or limits high-carb foods and aims to get most of its calories from fat and moderate amounts from protein. A 60-day keto diet macro distribution will be as follows. Fat, 70 to 80%. Protein, 20%. Carbs, 5 to 10%. If you feel these macros are not achievable, you can try certain variations of the ketogenic diet like cyclical, lazy, and dirty keto. Whatever style you choose, the goal should be to get into ketosis. Ketosis is a state in which the body burns fat for energy because it has used up all the carbohydrate stores. It is through this fat-burning process that one will enjoy the health benefits of ketogenic eating, including but not limited to weight loss. Benefits of a 60-day keto diet plan. 2 months is enough time for you to see a significant change in your health on the ketogenic diet. If done right, some of the changes you will experience include reduced water weight. The body stores carbs as glycogen, which holds onto a significant amount of water. As these stores are depleted, your body lets go of that excess water. Weight loss. As you cut out carbs, your body will get accustomed to burning fat for energy, which includes the fat stores in your body. Improved lipid profile. A healthy ketogenic diet can improve your levels of cholesterol and triglycerides, which can lower your risk for heart disease. Blood sugar control. Low-carb diets keep your blood sugar levels low, which may improve health and can reduce your risk for type 2 diabetes. Cognitive function. Ketogenic diets show promise with regards to improving the health of the brain and functions like memory and attention. Better sleep. A healthy lifestyle can help you achieve a regular sleep pattern by promoting relaxation in your body. Drawbacks of a 60-day keto meal plan. It would be unfair if we talked about keto and didn't say what challenges it comes with. First, you can expect the keto flu, which is a combination of flu-like signs and symptoms that usually happen shortly after you change your eating habits. These symptoms may include headaches, fatigue, nausea, vomiting, insomnia. In addition to these, you can also experience some other negative effects, like constipation, increased cholesterol if you choose the wrong fats, reduced athletic capacity, lack of food options at social events. How to do a 60-day keto meal plan successfully. Set reasonable goals. Having a goal can help give you motivation, especially on days when you feel like giving up. However, the goals should be attainable, otherwise, it will only lead to frustration when you don't reach them. Include goals that go beyond the scale. Better health is about more than just weight loss. Successfully cutting out or reducing your intake of unhealthy foods, cooking meals from whole ingredients, or adding exercise to your routine are all well worth celebrating. Set your macros. Have an idea of what your macro amounts are. This will help you plan your meals better and track what you're eating. Get an accountability buddy. This journey can feel lonely, especially at social events. Having a friend or partner with whom to do the diet can make a big difference. Stock your home with keto-friendly foods to minimize the temptation to eat non-ketogenic foods. Stay physically active to get the best out of your diet, especially if weight loss is your goal. Get a ketone meter or some ketone urine strips. At the start, measuring your ketone levels may be helpful to help you know when you have actually achieved ketosis. Eat enough fruits and vegetables to help you meet your fiber, vitamin, and mineral needs. Foods to eat and avoid for 2 months on keto. On low-carb diets, you have 3 categories of food: foods to avoid while foods to limit, and foods to eat. You will want to avoid high-carbs foods, especially those with lots of simple carbohydrates, like cookies, ice cream, cake, chocolate, candy, and fruit juice. Foods to eat in very small quantities include processed foods and whole grain or fiber-rich high-carb foods. Some high-carb foods like oats, quinoa, and legumes are very nutritious and can be fit into a low-carb meal plan by controlling portion size. The foods you will eat will mostly be low-carb and high-fat foods. These can be divided into 3 main groups: meats, dairy, and low-carb fruits and vegetables. You can also add on other types of foods, like eggs, nuts, and keto-baked foods, but the former 3 will make up the core of your diet. Grocery list for 60 days of ketogenic eating. To shop for balanced ketogenic meals, try this list for a week. Chicken thighs, turkey sausage, salmon, shrimp, white beans, small amounts, natural peanut butter, almonds, butter, cheddar cheese, broccoli, spinach, lemons, watermelon, frozen mixed berries. For a different week, just swap certain foods with other related foods. For example, in the place of spinach, buy kale, or in place of butter, try olive oil. Sample meals for a 60-day ketogenic plan. If you are ready to start your 2-month keto meal plan, why not start with this easy sample diet plan? Breakfast, chia pudding with strawberries. Morning snack, black olives. Lunch, butter-fried garlic shrimp with cauliflower rice and avocado. Evening snack, plain Greek yogurt. Dinner, oven-roasted chicken breast and salad. Dessert, berries and cream. Calories, 2,290 kilocalories. Macros, 42.4 get carbs, 96.5 grams protein, 192.5 grams fat. Frequently asked questions. Are you still conflicted about whether this is the right diet for you? Keep reading as we answer some commonly asked questions. Number 1. Can you lose a lot of weight after 2 months on keto? Yes, you most certainly can lose weight using keto after 60 days. People lose weight in as little as a week on a low-carb diet. 60 days is plenty of time for you to see noticeable changes. As long as you eat a healthy, balanced diet and maintain a calorie deficit, you will lose a significant amount of weight. Aim to consistently lose 1 to 2 pounds per week. Number 2. Can I do intermittent fasting with keto for 2 months? Combining fasting with a low-carb diet is a great way to reach ketosis faster. It also helps with calorie intake, which can be helpful if weight loss is your goal. Number 3. Is it common to stall after 2 months on keto? It is not unheard of for weight loss to slow down after some time on a diet. However, if you are not seeing any changes in your weight, it may be time to re-examine your plan. You may need to cut your calories further or adjust your fitness routine. Number 4. What if I have no energy 2 months into the keto diet? Lack of energy on keto, especially after such a long time, is usually a symptom of inadequate intake. Try increasing the amount of food you are eating. If nothing changes, see your health provider to ensure nothing else is causing the low energy. Number 5. Do you still have keto flu after 2 months? Keto flu should have resolved after such a long time, but it is possible for it to linger for longer. If you are eating a healthy, balanced ketogenic diet and drinking water throughout the day, see your doctor for a solution. Number 6. Is doing keto for 2 months enough? That depends on your goal. If you feel like your results after 2 months are adequate, you can transition back to a higher carb diet. However, to maintain your results, you have to stick to a healthy lifestyle for the long term. That lifestyle can still include keto if you choose. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your 60-day keto diet plan today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.